How many SKSs? That's like the fourth one. M4s, huh? Oh, here we go.
Was it M4 there? Oh, I grabbed a belt fed.
Say a belt fed? What'd you say? A belt fed?
Yeah, M249. Call it.
Oh, I see. I see. Okay. I do need a helmet if you find one.
Okay.
Chad, you want to know how I officially feel old?
You need a extended mag for your M4?
I have one, thank you. Unless it's extended quick.
It's not, no. I'm gonna go to my one mark.
Chop. Because I'm old? Bro! Look at my hair. Look, 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 look. There's gray hairs here. I noticed it yesterday, dude. I got gray hairs. I mean, I got them in my beard, dude, but I've never had them in my hair, bro. Yeah, next month I'm gonna be 40. I ain't fucking bald. What do you mean? Anyone that thinks I'm bald, you're an idiot. I have a full head of hair. I hate you guys. Yeah, would you guys watch if I played Rust? Been really wanting to get into Rust.
There's an ace up here if you want to use an ace instead.
Oh, I'm good. I just need a red dot and a comp, and I am actually fully kitted. Works over here if you need it.
Level 2 helmet up here.
I have one, thank you. Oh, there's a lot of cheaters? Yeah, but if you get on a good server, right? Retro, I know a buddy of mine that like I grew up with, and he had like some kind of accident or something when he was younger. And like, dude, his beard was like full gray. Like when he was like 16.
Do you need a tack stock?
No, I'm good. Only thing I need is a comp, but that's not really so at this point.
Okay.
So. Ready to rock, brother.
Yeah, there might be a car on this road on the one mark. Usually it's a hard spawn there.